Solve quadratic inequalities into variable. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to 1. Define quadratic inequalities into variables. 2. Identify the boundary curve of a quadratic inequality. Third, determine the solution region of a quadratic inequality. Fourth, solve and graph quadratic inequalities into variables. And number 5, apply quadratic inequalities to mathematical situations. Quadratic inequality into variables. A quadratic inequality into variables is an inequality involving two variables, usually x and y, in which the highest degree of any term is 2. Example of the quadratic inequality into variables: y greater than x squared. Second, y less than or equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3, or y greater than x squared minus 4. So we have the code in solving quadratic inequalities. So the code in solving quadratic inequalities is graph method. So what is G? G is graph the boundary curve. So it means change the inequality sign into an equal sign. R, recognize the boundary. Use a solid curve for greater than or equal or less than or equal to. Use a dash curve for greater than or less than. G, that is graph. R, recognize the boundary. And A, that is apply a test point. Usually, use 0, 0 if it is not on the curve. So, pwede rin naman 0, 1, 0, negative 1, pero normally 0, 0 if the given graph is not on the curve. After applying a test point, P, perform substitution. Substitute the point into the inequality. If the given is 0, 0 as a test point, so let us substitute the point into the inequality. H, highlight the solution region. Shade the region that satisfies the inequality. In the given quadratic inequalities in two variables, y greater than x squared. So first, graph. So G, graph the boundary curve. So the graph of y greater than x or y equals x squared. So nagtouch siya ng 0, 0. So 0, 0 as the vertex. So ito siya. The graph opens upward. So greater than. So dash boundary. So dash boundary yung ating curve. So R, recognize the boundary. If the given y greater than x squared, that is y equals x squared. Let us apply a test point. So the given test point is 0, comma, positive 1. So if we replace 0, comma, 1, let us P, perform substitution. Replace x by 0 and y by 1. If we replace the value, so y, that is 1, greater than the value of x is 0 squared. Copy 1, and then 0 times 0 is 0. Y greater than 0, so that is true. After drawing a dash parabola and shade above the curve because based on the test point 0, 1, so nag-true dito sa part na to. So it means the shaded part is above the curve. The given is greater than, so it means above the curve yung shaded part. How about y greater than or equal to x squared minus 25? Let us graph the boundary curve. So if we replace the value of x by 0, so that is 0 times 0 is 0 minus 25. So it means 0 and then negative 25. So our vertex is 0 and then negative 25. So this one, 0, this is the point, akyat ng konti. So 0, negative 25. And then the factor of x squared minus 25 is x plus 5 times x minus 5. So the two values of x is negative 5 and positive 5. So kung gagawin natin within the x-axis, so this is negative 5 and positive 5. So the value for a is positive. So it means the graph of the parabola opens upward. In the given, let us recognize the boundary. So replace greater than or equal to y equals x squared minus 25. Apply a test point. So pwede natin gamitin yung 0, 0. Let us perform a substitution if x is equal to 0 and y equals 0. So it means the value of y is 0 greater than or equal to the value of x is 0 squared minus 25. So 0 greater than or equal to 0 squared minus 25. Copy 0. 0 times 0 is 0. And then 0 minus 25 is negative 25. Is 0 is greater than or equal to negative 25? So yes, so that is true. So yung part na may 0, 0, that could be the shaded part. So based on the graph, so draw a solid parabola. So the given is solid parabola. And then sabi natin yung 0, 0 after applying the test point is true. So it means after drawing a solid parabola, the shade is above the curve. How about y less than or equal to x squared minus 4? So let us graph the boundary curve. So the vertex, if we replace x by 0, so 0 times 0 is 0 minus 4. So the vertex is 0 and then negative 4. So 0 and negative 4. The factor of x squared minus 4 is x plus 2, x minus 2. So the two values of x is negative 2 and positive 2. So the x-intercept is negative 2 and then positive 2. So less than or equal, so that is solid line curve. So may equal siya, so solid line curve. The value for A is positive, so the graph of the parabola opens upward. Let us recognize the boundary for y less than or equal to x squared minus 4. Replace less than or equal to y equals x squared minus 4. Let us apply a test point. So yung test point pwede natin gamitin ay 0, 0. Let us replace the value of x and y to the given equation. So 0 less than or equal to 0 squared minus 4. Copy 0. 0 times 0 is 0 minus 4, that is negative 4. Is 0 less than or equal to negative 4? So that is false. So it means yung part na 0, 0 is false. So wala dun yung shaded part. So this is the solid parabola. So our shaded part is below the curve. Below the curve because based on the testing point 0, 0, this is false. So the shaded part is below the curve. How about y less than x squared plus 2x minus 3? Let us graph the boundary curve. So the given, if we replace the value of x by 0, so 0 squared plus 0, 2 times 0, so 0 plus 0 is 0 minus 3. So it means our vertex is 0 and negative 3. So 0, negative 3. So this one, our vertex. Next, the factor of x squared plus 2x minus 3 is x plus 3 x minus 1. So change the sign. So that is negative 3 as the x-intercept and positive 1. So the given is less than, so dash curve. Let us recognize the boundary. Y equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. Let us apply a test point. So yung vertex natin, 0, negative 3. So let us try 0, 0. Let us substitute x is equal to 0 and y equals 0. So it means the value for y is 0, 0 less than 0 squared plus 2 times 0 minus 3. So 0 less than 0 plus 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3, that is negative 3. So 0 less than negative 3. Is 0 less than negative 3 is true or false? So that is false. So it means yung test point natin, kung nasan yung 0, 0, so that is false. So yung part na yun ay walang shade. Given natin is dash curve. And then, based on the dash curve, after drawing the dash curve, below the curve yung ating shaded part. Because yung 0, 0 natin, this is false. So the shaded part is below the curve. Instruction. Graph the following. Provide your answers in the comment section.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.